The world is a hungry place. We all rely on animal agriculture to provide necessary production of food for proper living. Here at Valco, we provide the essential instruments to ensure that animal agriculture is functioning across the globe at its highest level of productivity and ethical standards. With our advanced levels of developing cutting-edge agricultural technologies, Valco is dedicated to the responsibility of safely and effectively feeding a hungry world.
I think as far as one of the main challenges I would see, and is talking with other cage-free layer barns, that's specific what we're working with here, is the floor eggs. That's always a challenge with a cage-free barn.
People are much more conscious of where their food comes from, how it's been raised, and what some of the specifics are that are used in the raising of that, producing of that food.
Maintaining a good, consistent atmosphere for the birds is always something that's paramount for doing well and producing good chickens.
One of the things I have seen is that your genetics of your birds have become much more hybrid and able to produce better in an individual field. And with that in the broiler industry, the housing of that bird becomes much more crucial.
There's been a lot of changes in the egg industry, especially here in the United States, and it's all consumer driven, wanting to have an egg produced in a cage-free facility. So that's obviously what our goal is here.
Between 25 and 30 years ago, we were watering birds out of 8-foot troughs and open cup drinkers. And Valco was on the very, very leading edge of developing the nipple drinking system, which totally revolutionized how we water chickens.
The community nest has been out for probably 2 to 3 years after some tweaking based on input from integrators and growers. And the biggest thing that has done is it's reduced the percentage of what we call floor eggs.
I count us a real success when we can take an average grower and allow him to perform in an above-average manner.
The Valco products, like anything, has a learning curve to them. What we've really worked hard at doing is minimizing that as much as possible so that we can overcome any resistance somebody has to trying something new or working with a new system.
We're also in the process of releasing a new environmental control by the name of Horizon. It has technology that this industry hasn't seen before, and it's going to be a real game changer.
It's been our choice to primarily stick with Valco because we feel we can only truly be loyal to one major company.
The Valco team did a good job at being available to address those and was very timely in getting those issues addressed.
I think Val has really stepped up in trying to offer products that are going to meet that need.
Certainly we appreciated that level of support that was available through Valco.
I used to always use the term as good as the best and better than the rest, and that's certainly the way I feel about Valco products.
Our technologies at Valco are constantly evolving. It is a culture of innovation that propels us forward, where we are driven through knowledge, creativity, and a passion for continuous improvement. At the very core, it's our mission that compels us to excel, to produce, and introduce products that ultimately help to nourish humanity. Our mission is critical and even never-ending. Yet it's one where failure is not an option. For indeed, we are proud to proclaim Valco as part of the solution in feeding a hungry world.